Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 49, multiplying a two-digit number by a one-digit number using the multiplication algorithm. So here I have the problem, 4 groups of 23. Okay, there are 3 different ways I can find the answer to this equal groups problem. The first way is to add 4 23s. So let's find this answer. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12. So I write the 2 down and carry the 1 that's in the tens place. So remember, it's 12 that way. Okay, now we add the tens place. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9, 92. The second way is I can solve this doing mental computation. And we do that by doing 4 groups of 23. And remember, we split this up. We think, okay, 4 times 2 is 80. And then we do 4 times 3 is 12. So 80 plus 12 is 92. The third way to find it is using the multiplication algorithm. Okay. When we multiply problems written vertically, like this one is, we multiply in a different way. And this is called multiplying using the multiplication algorithm. And it's the way your parents multiply and how you'll continue to multiply as you go into higher grades. When we multiply using the multiplication algorithm, first we will find the total number of ones, just as when we added the ones first in the addition problem. So we have the 4 and the 3. Okay, so we're finding 4 groups of 3 ones is 12. And we show that like this. We place the ones place value below the ones, and we carry over the 1, the 10. Because 12 ones is the same as 2 ones and 1 10. Okay, so now we find the number of tens. And we do that by doing 4 groups of 2, or 2 groups of 4. So we do 4 times 2. 4 groups of 2 tens is 8 tens. And then we add the one that we carried over, and that's 9. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So my answer is 92. Let's try another problem. So here we have 5 groups of 46. So the first way is to add it up. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6 is 18, plus 6 is 24, plus 6 is 30. I put the ones place down and I carry over the 3 into the tens place. All right, now we do the 4s. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 4 is 20, plus 3 is 23. So my answer is 230. Okay, I can also solve this using mental computation, and that's where I have 5 times 46, okay, and I think 5 times 4 is 5 times 40 is 200, and then 5 times 6 is 30. So 200 plus 30 equals 230. And then the third way is to do the multiplication algorithm. So again, first we find the total number of ones, just as we added the ones first in the addition algorithm. So we do 5 groups of 6. Okay, I'm going to color code this. So we have 5 groups of 6. So 5 groups of 6 equals 30. And we show that by writing the 0 in the ones place and carrying the 3 over to the tens place. Now we'll find the total number of tens. And we do that by doing 5 groups of 4. So 5 groups of 4 tens is 20 tens. And then I add that other 3 tens that I had before. So 20 plus 3 more is 23. So my total answer is 230. Okay, let's do another problem. So here we have 27 times 3. So the first thing we do is multiply the 3 and the 7. Okay, 3 times 7 is 21, or 3 groups of 7 is 21. We put the 1 down and carry the 2 over to the tens place. Then we do 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So my answer is 81. Okay. All right, on this next one, we have 39 times 5, or 5 groups of 39. So we start off by multiplying the ones column first. So 5 times 9 is 45. And then we carry the 4 over to the tens place. Then we do 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 4 is 19. So we end up with 195 as our answer. Okay, let's do 2 more. Remember, we start with the ones column first. So we do 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. So we put the 1 down and carry the 2. Then we multiply 7 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 2 is 44. So my answer is 441. On 87 times 6, we start with the ones column. So 6 times 7, which is 42, and I carry my 4. And then I do 6 times 8. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 4 is 52. So my answer is 522. Hey, and that's it for today's lesson. Good luck on your homework.